Can Vizio Smart TV browse internet? Vizio Smart TVs are designed to offer streaming capabilities, but they do not include a built-in web browser like traditional computers or smartphones. These TVs focus on providing access to popular streaming apps, making it easy to watch content from platforms such as Netflix, YouTube, and Hulu. While some users look for ways to browse the internet on a Vizio Smart TV, the options are limited compared to other smart devices. 1. No built-in web browser. Vizio Smart TVs do not come with a pre-installed web browser. Unlike some other smart TV brands, Vizio prioritizes app-based entertainment, meaning users cannot directly access websites through a traditional browser on the TV. This limitation makes it difficult to search the web or open specific URLs without using external devices. Second, alternative ways to browse. Although a built-in browser is unavailable, users can still browse the internet using external devices. Connecting a streaming device like an Amazon Fire Stick, Roku, or Apple TV allows access to web browsers. Additionally, screen mirroring from a smartphone, tablet, or computer is another way to display web pages on the TV screen. 3. Using SmartCast for screen mirroring. Vizio SmartCast TV supports screen mirroring, allowing users to project their phone or computer screen onto the TV. This feature enables web browsing by using a mobile or desktop browser and mirroring it to the TV. However, this method depends on a stable internet connection and a compatible device. 4. Installing third-party apps. Some users try installing third-party applications to enable web browsing, but this is not officially supported by Vizio. Most Vizio TVs use a closed system that does not allow downloading or installing additional apps outside the available SmartCast ecosystem. The best solution remains using an external device that supports web browsing. Vizio Smart TVs do not have a built-in web browser, but users can browse the internet through screen mirroring or external streaming devices. While the focus is on app-based entertainment, alternatives are available for those who need web access on their TV.